Hello everyone, welcome back to Mystery Fynn. Today we're going to do MoYu RS3 versus Rubik's Speed Cube. Alright, first scramble ready. Now, done with inspecting. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, not bad, not bad. Alright. Got that one scrambled up. Now 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was pretty good. Alright. Okay. Got that one scrambled. Okay. Now 3, 2, 1. .7. Okay, that wasn't too bad. This cube was very uncontrollable. I like the last solve better. Okay. Inspecting it. And 3, 2, 1, go. That was bad. That was so bad. 25 seconds.
Oh, that was bad. 31.
Okay, last try. Please be good. Now let's go. 3, 2, 1. I guess that's okay. Yeah, I'm not a professional speed cuber, but
this cube is very squishy, very uncontrollable. I mean,
alright,
it's fast, but like when I turn it, these sensors like to turn themselves like that. So it's not really much of a speed cube. That's probably why I'm getting a bunch of bad times. Yeah, this cube it's squishy, and yeah, the MoYu RS3 is definitely better. I mean, this one's okay, like, if you're, like, starting off with the 3x3 or something, then maybe get this one. But if you're more of a professional, get, like, maybe more high quality than the MoYu RS3. Maybe something like the GAN 13 or 14. If you can't afford that, maybe the GAN 356 or something like that. Or maybe the MoYu RS3 M 2022 Maglev or something like that. But those are good ones. This one's just like, well, it's definitely a speed cube compared to Rubik's, but not much of a speed cube compared to other speed cubes. So, thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Oh, where'd it go?